Y'all can see I'm in my Nissan truck. Guess where I'm headed? That's right, baby. I got a whole load. Let me see if I can hold this down here. Look, y'all. That's right, man. Y'all see all that? That is a lot of scrap. Scrap metal, scrap aluminum, scrap everything. I need my truck for other things, so I have to get this stuff off of here. So where I'm headed is the scrap yard, baby. This stuff is loading my truck down and I can't take it no more. We're pulling up on the scrap yard right now. Before I get in, first thing they want us to do, y'all, is get on the big scale for all the iron and the metal. And the aluminum stuff go on a different scale. I'm gonna have to unload that. See, I have some transmissions and differential, aluminum differential transmission, aluminum wheels. Y'all can see all these wheels. So if anybody want to guesstimate what I'm gonna get for all this, go ahead and do it before I show you. All right. That probably wasn't a good look at what I got. So before I get all the way in here, I am gonna let y'all get another peek. Ooh, that's a pawn shop. I'm gonna go in there before on the way out. I'm gonna stop at that pawn shop to see if they got any goodies in there. It's not like a good pawn shop, y'all. You always find stuff you just can't ordinarily find at a pawn shop. All right. So that's what I'm gonna do on the way out. So I am pulling up on oh, that's the name of it. I never could figure out the name of the place. It is called Recycle Center. This is where I go when I have a truckload. Man, it look like pure hell out here, y'all. It is junky, it is nasty, it is everything. And I hope I don't get a flat tire like I did the last time. Y'all see all that shit out there? All that stuff? Ooh, I'm monetized. I can't talk like that. Look at that, y'all. Like pure hell out here. All right, so let me do this real quick because I got to get on the big scale. Let me see how much crap I got. It's a lot of aluminum radiators. Okay, like I said, I had 2 transmissions. This is a nag. I wanted to go through that nag, but I got another nag on the table at the shop. I'm gonna go through and do a little small course on. Let's show y'all how to pull the pump out, things like that. All right, but like I said, if y'all want to guess, this ain't much, man. Just aluminum radiators and a bunch of junk. I need my truck for other things. All these rotors, they don't really weigh nothing anymore. They don't really pay nothing. Batteries, I got from all the cars I done worked on. So, let's get with it, man. That's my truck. I'm weighing it down with all this stuff. Woo, that tire coming apart, y'all. I will need another tire. Lord have mercy. I did not see that. I hope I make it back because I don't have a spare. All right, y'all. I gotta go. I'll let y'all know what happened. Take it out. I don't care anymore. Oh, a decent truck. Yeah, that's it. That's all that. Alright, y'all. It's pure hell out here. I can't wait till I'm done. I'm getting back on the big scale now so they can weigh me after I unload it. As you can see, it's unloaded. So now they're gonna weigh me again. Wait for her to call my name. She might say something like little red Nissan truck. So they weigh me before and after. Look at all this junk. But it's money. All right, y'all, I'm gonna do this last little weigh in and then we should be done. I'll show y'all what we come up with, see how close some of us was. All right, later. Woo, all right, guys, I'm done. Finally, a clean truck. Well, not so clean, but I got room for more junk. All right, let's see who was right, who guessed it right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, $39 for 10. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but $7 for aluminum radiators, aluminum old sheet, $12. Batteries, $40. Cast wheels, whoa, $16, and it was only 2 wheels. I'm going hunt down some more wheels. A total of $115. I don't know who guessed that, but I will take it because I got another load at my other spot that I'm about to go get. All right, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this up, man. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.